Shane Warne from Australia bowled 420 balls in an innings and he took 6 wickets against South Africa. Nilesh Kulkarni from India bowled 420 balls and took just 1 wicket in a spell in one innings against Sri Lanka. Hasselborg from New Zealand bowled 420 balls and he took just 1 wicket against Pakistan. Kiwi spinner Daniel Vittori bowled 426 balls in an innings and he took 2 wickets against India. From England, Phil Tufnell bowled 426 balls and he took just 2 wickets against New Zealand. Bishan Singh Bedi bowled 426 balls with 1 wicket against West Indies. Zulfikar Babar from Pakistan bowled 432 balls in an innings and he took just 1 wicket against England. The great spinner from India, Anil Kumble bowled 432 balls with 1 wicket against Sri Lanka. The superhero of Sri Lanka, Suraj Randev, bowled 438 balls with 2 wickets against India. Lance Gibbs from West Indies bowled 438 balls in an innings against Australia with 2 wickets. The great Indian Venu Mankad bowled 438 balls and he took 5 wickets against England. Saqlain Mushtaq bowled 444 balls with 8 wickets in an innings against England. The greatest spinner Muthaiya Muralidharan bowled 450 balls with 3 wickets against India. Shivlal Yadav from India bowled 450 balls with 1 wicket against Pakistan. Subhash Gupte from India bowled 460 balls with 7 wickets against New Zealand. Rajesh Chauhan bowled 468 balls with 1 wicket against Sri Lanka. Zimbabwean superhero Ray Price bowled 474 balls with 5 wickets against South Africa. Venu Mankad bowled 492 balls in an innings and he took 5 wickets against West Indies. Haseeb Ahsan from Pakistan bowled 504 balls with 5 wickets against India. Sunil Ramdin from West Indies bowled 588 balls with 2 wickets against England, the greatest spell ever in an innings.